Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Smartsheet templates for project kickoff planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Smartsheet website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on Sign Up. After signing in, locate the Templates section on the home page. In the Templates section, use the search bar to type Project Kickoff Planning. Review the available templates for Project Kickoff Planning. Once you find a suitable template, click on it to view more details. Take a moment to read the description and check the template's features. If the template fits your needs, click the Use Template button. This action will prompt you to choose a workspace for the template. Select the appropriate workspace from the drop-down menu. Next, give your copy of the template a unique name. Once named, click OK to create your new sheet. The new sheet will open in the Smartsheet editor. Here, you can customize the template to match your project specifics. Edit task details, dates, and responsible parties as needed. If you want to share the template with your team, click the Share button. Enter the email addresses of your team members to provide access. Determine their permission levels, then click Share. Finally, review the saved template to ensure it meets your project needs. Your Smartsheet template for project kickoff planning is now. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.